You live in Arizona. The sun shines 365 days a year. Why aren't you going solar? Utility companies' rates increase on average 4% each year with no signs of slowing down. Go solar with Solar Tops and lock in a lower rate for the same electricity. Yeah, you can save money by generating your own energy. Crazy, right? Solar Tops has been Arizona's #1 trusted solar installer since 2009, with a stellar reputation of saving our customers way more money than those other guys. So how do we do it? Easy. We offer the lowest prices on the most premium products that are always in stock, the fastest installation times, and the most reliable support whenever you need it. And don't forget about our 25-year total protection warranty. 25 years! That's a pretty long time. So join thousands of happy homeowners across Arizona in gaining your independence from the utility companies. It's your energy. Make it your way.